So the Forte series has a new drop. This time it's not a new product though, but a new combo kit. And since we've been talking a lot about product combos lately here on the channel, I thought we should take a closer look at this. And really in a nutshell, this new combo is for people who feel like they have flat or lifeless looking hair, oily or greasy hair, or hairstyles that fall apart 30 minutes after styling. I mean, we've all had that happen, right? So this is made for that. This is a combo made for all of that. And I think mostly, to be honest, we're talking about fine hair. I think that's really what this is targeting. And essentially, after putting this through the paces, I do think this will be a solid combo for a lot of us out there. So let's take a closer look at it and see what it's all about. Presenting the Forte Series All-Day Hold Kit for Fine Hair, which the brand describes as a set containing two products from their lineup, the thickening spray and the styling cream. And really, we've already gone over the majority of what this is designed for, but once again, here's the highlights. This is made as a featherweight all-day hold formula that soaks up excess oils and grease in the hair, adds volume and thickness to flat hair with good healthy ingredients to maintain that health factor the Forte series is known for. Price-wise for this combo, we are looking at $39 US for both products. Now, since we've already technically made videos and reviewed both products inside this kit, I'm actually going to move directly into the testing phase of the video. And my goal for this video really is twofold. I, of course, want to show you the effect this combo has on my hair, but I also want to show you why the effect happens on my hair that you will end up seeing here. I really think that that's almost more effective when showing a product combo like this than just showing the result and kind of leaving it there, letting the results speak for themselves. I kind of like to explain why things work as opposed to just showing it to you. And in order to do all of that, I am going to start here with a before picture. This will help display the differences in the end. So here's the official before photo. This is nothing in my hair at all. And we're going to work on this result here. We're going to start with damp hair in a basic pre-styling scenario. We're going to get this thickening spray all through my hair, worked into the roots. Nothing really special going on here. I'm just spraying it in my hair and working it in. After that, we're going to hit it with the heat, of course. And while I'm drying, I'm also going to be working on setting a shape at this stage, and we're going to work on bringing out that volume that the spray is providing. Now that we're done with that, here's the result that we have in this stage. We can see that it's thickened for sure. There's that plumped up look that we're looking for here, and we have some volume going on as well. And overall, I can say it's becoming much better than it was with just the thickening spray. We're now, of course, though, going to finish things off with the cream, and I'm not going to use too much, but I am going to use enough to really bring out the result, which is, of course, what we want. And it's also very easy to do since this cream is nice and lightweight with enough presence there to actually control the hair and bring about a difference. After all that, now here is our end result. And after I give you a full look right here, I'm going to actually take a quick snap of this end result and then compare it to our before shot. And hopefully you can see the difference there. I think it's pretty plain to see. And I think it's also a good first step into showing you why this works. As I said a second ago, this is really showing you what this does. This gives you a visual reference. Now let's talk about why I think this works the way it does. I think first of all, it's just a solid combo. I think it's just a very solid combination of products. I think they do a great job of complementing each other. They don't step on each other's toes. I mean, we talked about this in a recent video, actually. When the products work hand in hand and not against each other, you know, not stepping on each other's toes, we really see some great results. I mean, the thickening spray, when we start with that, it provides volume, it provides presence, it provides a nice foundation without weighing things down. And really, it just puts some life into the flat hair troubles that you guys with fine hair deal with. Again, I think it works for other hair types such as mine as well. Mine is pretty short, so it kind of falls into this category somewhat right now, but I do think it works in the way it was designed. And again, the spray is just a great starting point. It provides all of those things I just mentioned and a lot more. Then you have the cream that comes in and works once again perfectly alongside the spray in this scenario because it really only adds, it doesn't take away, meaning it adds hold, it adds control, and it really just props up what the spray has brought to the table without taking anything away, without weighing it down, without taking away any of that volume, any of the life that the spray has put into the hair. This is exactly, once again, how product combinations should work. Honestly, this is how I wish they all would work. You know, they come together, bring their own attributes to solve a problem or give you more options with your styling. You know, give you another option to try, give you something else to experiment with. I really think that is why this works as well as it does. And if you would like to check out the all-day hold kit from the Forte series, it is available now at their shop. Link can be found in the usual spot there down in the description, alongside a discount code that's available to you guys as subscribers of this channel, which if you aren't yet a subscriber, you might think about fixing that. Just go ahead and hit that button there. It's a really easy thing to do. That would be super nice. I very much appreciate it. But there's also a code there if you would like to use it. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking this out with me. Let me know what you thought about this combo in the comment section. I always enjoy hearing from you guys. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.